Well, it's always terrific to see the work from across the industry. We feel like we're upping our game creatively, and I'm really optimistic that we'll, as an industry, continue to do well here over time. I'm always respectful of great work coming from all over the world, and so you won't hear sour grapes from me. I'm proud of the work we do all around the world.
I'm really disappointed, and I find it very hard to reconcile this with last year's results, because last year I really got the jury guidance and the guidelines, and I really understood why the choices were made of all those. There were like a little over 2,000 entries. Now there's 2,300, and I'm just thinking that I'm not seeing the work that I saw last year.
This is all about creativity. This should not all be about what the PR industry thinks about the PR category. You know, this should be a celebration of creativity. But honestly, the highlight for me for this year is that PR has finally decided to get out of its box and go and compete with others on their own territory. It's been one of my soapbox sort of issues for a while, which is why is PR only entering into the PR category? The idea that we can enter into activation, we can enter into stunts, we can enter into activation, that's a genius move, and I suppose that would be the highlight for me for this year, is that PR has finally decided to get out of its box and go and compete with others on their own territory.
Every agency is approaching every category in a completely different way, and I think actually if you are almost unencumbered by the old rules and you can look at things in a new and fresh way, it really is a great way of actually getting in there and winning a Cannes Lion.